that was a struggle in itself. This needs reorganizing. That is mold. And it's got to go too. I swear, it's not whey. It's chocolate milk. We may replace this piece of junk right here. Hopefully not with another piece of junk. Oopsie. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are tackling all those things that I have been putting off that really need doing. So there's going to be a little bit of decluttering, a little bit of organizing, and a little bit of cleaning in here today. So this is what I do if you're new here, by the way. So I hope you guys enjoy, and let's jump into it. This is the first area that I am tackling, and yes, that is a hot chocolate stain. I promise it's not a wee stain. But I don't know what that is down that end of the bed. But we used to have a TV in the bedroom, and I would give her a hot chocolate in a sippy cup. Moral of the story, I was cleaning the mattress protector, was in the washing machine just as I happened to be doing this, and the cup lid on the hot chocolate wasn't on properly. She must have squeezed it, and it's just went everywhere, all over my brand new mattress. No lie, it was brand new. I could have cried. I really could have. Anyway, this mattress is seriously not that old. It's probably around 2 years, maybe a bit less. So yes, and it was not cheap whatsoever. So I need to try and salvage it. And today is a warm day, and I'm not going to get any more of these, really, I don't think, being autumn. So we are going to firstly get stuck into this cleaning.
Wondering if thousands of miles away the sky's just as blue. It's as if I'm stuck in yesterday when I'm thinking of you. 'Cause when you have your morning coffee, I'm turning out the lights so I could dream. And when you smile through the screen, I wish you could be with me. So I lay my head to rest when the sun is rising. I'll start a brand new day when the moon is shining. I long to be with you in all the places you have been. So today,
What can I say? Gross and more gross. That is absolutely disgusting. So if you haven't cleaned your mattress in a while, this is your sign. Look at the poor head on this thing. It's really copped it today. I did just do my car as well before this, so yeah. Did I get a slight rinse in between, but this is pretty much from the bed. It's so disgusting. So this is what we're looking like. You can't really tell the difference. Obviously you could in the water, but yeah, it probably looks darker, to be honest, because it is wet too. So I'm guessing when it dries it'll be a lot lighter. Cross fingers it does dry, because it's like 4:15 and I'll probably be leaving in an hour or so. So I'm gonna have to pull these windows back down. Okay, so I'm up to the next job, which is inside this drawer here. As you can see, it's popping out because this is just not working in here. And I did put this in one of my videos. I did like a parcel fail, and I put this in my parcel fail organizing video. So if you want to see some organizing stuff in my house, then definitely go check that video out. But yeah, basically I just reviewed everything that was and wasn't working in my home. So yes, you can see like it's these bulky ones. Obviously I need somewhere to store them, and I am going to store them in here, but this divider is just not working. So we're going to remove this today and we're going to replace it. So this is what we are replacing it with. We are replacing with these. These are from Pretty Little Designs and they're actually white. They're so cute. I'll pull it out and you can have a look. So they do come in a 4-pack and they also came with these bits and pieces so that you can customize your drawers a little bit. So I thought that that was really cool and I think it's going to work way better than this thing here.
Don't wait for me, honey. Don't wait.
Oh my gosh. It's interesting, isn't it? Very interesting. I never accounted for them to be too big.
Exactly what I'm looking for. As we grow, I'll keep running till I can't no more.
Okay, it would have been better if these fit, but they're too small. It sucks. Yes, so I can't divide all my sets up, but yeah, this is like a button-up tops, and these ones, well, yeah, they're all summer. This row's summer, that row's winter. So it's kind of divided. This one is a button-up one, the rest of them aren't. And guess what? The drawer closes with ease. Kind of mission accomplished. Quality I think is good, but it's definitely not as sturdy as that Kmart one, like when I've got it in here. Anyway, now I'm going to use this divider here in this drawer because I think it'd be perfect for bras. Like you got like a nice big spot there. So yes, that's what I'm going to do. You always find me here. It doesn't fit really well, does it?
Things that I've
Not quite.
You know just where to look. You know just where to look.
Not happy with it.
You have a heart of gold.
Look at that.
And I look forward to growing
Look at that dodgy back.
Cause I'll be old with you. Oh, I'll be old with you. The moon waits tonight.
Okay, as you can see, this did not work. I did remove it and I used this. I'm just not happy with these. Like, it's so not sturdy. Yeah, and I paid 40 bucks. So, like, for the set. So honestly, I would go Kmart, and the Kmart ones are better. It's my opinion. These ones look better. You could probably just paint the Kmart ones. This is what we're looking like. So I have little chicken fillet things. Unfortunately, one boob is much bigger than the other. Don't often use them, but you know, if, yeah, I've still got them. Might end up decluttering them. These are just spare straps for the bras in there. I do have more bras, they're just all in the wash. And then obviously I've got the double-sided tape. So these are just, I could have probably put these at the back and then the bras at the front. But anyway, that is just how it looks and what I've done with it at this point. Okay, next of all, I'm going to tackle a little problem I've got going on here, and that is we've got some condensation that happens in the window in here, and then it goes to the ground, and then it gets moldy on my windowsill. I know I'm not the only one with this issue, so we're going to quickly just give that a wipe down today while I've got the windows opened and everything. I really hate like a bleach and fake stuff, like just it's so bad for you to breathe in. So I was thinking while I've got the windows open and I'm getting the mattress dry, I'm gonna give this a spray because it can get a really good air out then and clean at the same time. So this is the issue that I've got. It looks so disgusting, doesn't it? Because the blinds are often down in here, I don't usually notice it. But I know that it happens in the winter. Yes, excuse the garden out there, don't even look at it. I have been so busy, and yeah, that is one of the things that always goes downhill when I be busy, is the outside of the house, unfortunately. And this is this window here, so you can see this one's pretty bad as well. Okay, so I'm going to do a quick wardrobe declutter, and yes, I know I do a lot of decluttering, right? As you guys know, I am on that sort of like minimalism journey, and I have been listening to some podcasts lately, and one of the ones that I have been listening to lately, they interviewed a fashion consultant. So basically her job is to make women feel sexy and, you know, feel good in their outfits and help them pick out things that suit their body and things like that. And one of her big things was, if you are like constantly wearing yoga pants, then don't just go to Kmart and buy a cheap pair of yoga pants because they're just yoga pants. Because the reality is you're wearing them all the time. So you need to feel good in what you're wearing all the time. So she was saying that you should really go around, shop around, buy something that is nicer, even if it is a bit more expensive, and something that actually makes you feel good, because your wardrobe should be your boutique. There should be nothing in your wardrobe that you wouldn't be able to wear right now. And if there is things in there that don't fit you and you're thinking to yourself, hey, that might be one day, every time you open that wardrobe, you're going to be depressed, and like subconsciously, even if you're not thinking about it, you're going to be seeing that and thinking far out, like, you know, it's just depressing, like it really is. So she was saying either pack it away or just be real with yourself and say, hey, I'm never going to be able to fit that again, and just get rid of it. So anyway, that is a little bit of me rambling on, but I am going to get rid of a few things today that I don't see myself wearing anymore. I don't know if it's because I'm too old. Yeah. Some of them are like, I just feel like it's too short, and I couldn't feel or wouldn't feel comfortable in wearing it. So I'm just going to offload that today. Okay, these are the pieces that I pulled out. This one here, when I tried it on, I used to be my favourite piece, but I used to have to wear like a skirt with it, and it's supposed to be a dress. Like, it is short, and it has these sleeve bits on it, which I really used to love. Like, I thought it looked kind of sexy, a bit cute, but to be honest, it's not flattering on my body. It actually makes me look really wide, like really broad. So yeah, I'm not going to keep this one. This one is super short. It is a grab denim. It is not cheap, but you know, I'm not going to wear it. It just doesn't make me feel comfortable. Like, look at this. Oh, there's no pockets. The pockets would have been here and you would have seen, like, that is tiny. Yeah, no, I'm nearly 40. I'm not going to wear that. No thanks. I'm comfortable with short shorts, but see my bits and pieces, no thanks. This one here, I've actually changed my mind because I just tried it on, and these two I just tried on because I wasn't sure of. They're actually not too short either. They're okay. But the reason why I wanted to declutter this one originally was because this wide band here, and now I've lost that weight, you can't actually see, it doesn't make me look big, which it used to. So that's why I'm definitely going to keep holding this. I think it's one of those cute pieces that you can dress up or down really well. And then I got this one. This one has never ever been worn. Ever. Like, literally, I've taken the tag off and that's it. But I don't know, I just don't like my butt in it. I don't like this. Like, this goes over it and it doesn't look flattering. So yeah, the idea is I feel good in what I'm wearing, and these pieces don't make me feel comfortable or good. Apart from this one. I'm going to keep this one. But yeah, the rest are going. Okay, so I mentioned in another video about my expensive shoes that seasonal shoes had been getting really dusty, so I thought I'd quickly jump onto the IKEA website and I'm going to order a couple of their shoe boxes. And I also need to get a magazine rack thing because I am going to do a drop zone here at some stage. I was going to wait to do this order because I need to paint and everything and I really don't want it laying around my house, but to save on shipping, I'm gonna just order them both now. Okay, plant people, tell me, is this plant trying to climb? Because I think it is. It's starting to grow more there. Like I know there is ones that do grow. I just presume that this was like a clustered one, but it's getting taller. So if you know, you know. I don't know if I've got a little, I shouldn't do this, but there we go. That is what it's called. It is a Monstera monkey mast, 95 centimeters. That's all it tells me. Yes. I think it might be trying to climb. So that's what I was looking for on the IKEA website, was just to see if they had anything to make it like run, something that I could climb on that actually looks nice. But yeah, I don't know. So yes, if you're a plant person and you know, please let me know, because I don't know what's going on with this fella, but I want to make sure I look after him. It's not sticky anymore. Dang it. I cannot store these out in the shed. This is the next one that's done. I'm going to throw them all out.